Did you know that water chestnuts are not just a crunchy addition to stir fries, but a powerhouse of nutrients? These aquatic gems are low in calories yet rich in essential nutrients, offering a unique blend of benefits that can enhance your diet in surprising ways. From improving heart health to boosting antioxidant levels, water chestnuts are more than meets the eye. Dive into the world of these fascinating tubers with us and discover how integrating them into your meals can transform your health. And consider this. Nearly 75% of people are missing out on the unique advantages of aquatic vegetables in their diets. Are you one of them? Join us in exploring the health benefits of water chestnuts and see what you've been missing. Water chestnuts, scientifically known as Eleocharis dulcis, are not actually nuts but rather tuberous vegetables that thrive in the muddy or marshy areas of Southeast Asia, Africa, Australia, and the Pacific Islands, where they grow underwater in the soft, wet soil of marshes, ponds, paddy fields, and shallow lakes, developing crisp, white flesh that is popularly used in Asian cooking for its crunchy texture and sweet, slightly nutty flavor. Stick with us until the end to uncover all of the incredible health benefits water chestnuts have to offer. You won't believe the amazing ways they can boost your well-being. Let's dive into the remarkable health benefits of water chestnuts and explore how this crunchy, nutrient-packed superfood can contribute to your overall wellness. Here's a detailed look at 10 health benefits of water chestnuts. Low in calories. Water chestnuts are exceptionally low in calories, with only about 60 calories in a half-cup serving. This makes them an ideal snack for weight management, as they control overall calorie intake. Rich in fiber. Each serving contains about 3 grams of fiber, which is essential for promoting digestive health. Fiber helps increase stool bulk and supports regular bowel movements, reducing the likelihood of constipation and promoting a healthy digestive tract. Antioxidant properties. They contain antioxidants such as ferulic acid and other phytochemicals that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This action helps reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Supports heart health. Water chestnuts are a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps manage blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in the body. Maintaining a healthy blood pressure is crucial for preventing heart disease and stroke. Boosts immune system. High in vitamin C, water chestnuts can enhance the immune system's function. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are key to fighting infections, and acts as an antioxidant to protect against disease. Good for pregnant women. They provide folate, a B vitamin essential during pregnancy for the proper development of the fetus. Adequate folate intake can prevent neural tube defects such as spina bifida in newborns. Helps control blood sugar levels. The fiber in water chestnuts helps moderate the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose. This makes them a beneficial food for managing diabetes and maintaining stable energy levels. Anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants and other phytochemicals in water chestnuts also exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, including arthritis and heart disease, so incorporating anti-inflammatory foods can be beneficial. Promotes hydration. Water chestnuts are over 70% water, which can contribute to hydration. Hydration is crucial for maintaining cellular health, improving circulation, and supporting skin health. Gluten-free source of energy. For those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, water chestnuts offer a safe gluten-free alternative to other grains that can provide energy. They are high in complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy without the adverse effects associated with gluten. Including water chestnuts in your diet can offer these and other health benefits, making them a nutritious addition to various dishes. Thanks for tuning in and exploring the incredible health benefits of water chestnuts with us today. We hope you're inspired to add this crunchy superfood to your next meal and start reaping the rewards for your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our tasty tips and healthy eating guides. Share your water chestnut recipes in the comments below. We'd love to see how you're incorporating them into your diet. Until next time, stay healthy and keep experimenting with nutritious foods in your kitchen.